Here is that paper I covered in my previous video. The link is down below. Now, the paper claims to have solved the enigma of rapid protein evolution. The study simulated random mutations occurring in genes. They were hoping to show how random mutations can sometimes help the host organism. Then you could have a series of these mutations that would lead to proteins like we see in today's species. The important step is to show that the random mutation helps the host organism. In other words, the mutation increases the organism's fitness. Well, they didn't show that. They simply claimed that mutations that make the resulting protein more similar to a real protein will increase fitness. This is a fundamental problem in evolutionary theory, going all the way back to Darwin and before. How do you get an increase in fitness from a half-baked design? What good is half a wing? The paper skipped that part. They didn't show that there was any increase in the host organism fitness. They assumed it. They assumed that if a mutation leads to something that looks more like a protein, then it must improve fitness. There's no scientific evidence for that. But it was then relatively easy to get a sequence of mutations leading to something that looks like a real protein. That is not how evolution works. Nonetheless, the paper is very triumphant. We show how stable globular protein folds could evolve from random amino acid sequences. The simulations reproduce the evolution of many simple folds of natural proteins, as well as emergence of distinct folds not known to exist in nature. Our tool tracks the complete evolutionary history from simulations and can be used to test hypotheses on protein fold evolution. The principal result of this work is that emergence of simple, stable, globular protein folds from random amino acid sequences is relatively easy and could occur quickly. Well, this is all false.